16 days ago, I got asked this question. What happens to my Quora content when I delete my Quora account? And so I decided to do a test. Now, I had an account that I labeled or belonged to Rebecca Burris, my business partner / wife, and I used it for testing purposes. So I made sure that Rebecca had some answers, she had some questions, and she had a post. And then I bookmarked those answers, those questions, and that her profile, her post, so I had the URL to it, and then I deleted her account. Now, I went and looked at this content 14 days after I deleted it, and it was still out there, but her account was labeled deactivated. Now, I waited one more day, the 15th day, and I went and looked, and all of the stuff changed. Now, I want to show you what you see, but then I got a really important issue that I haven't resolved yet that I'm waiting to get this specific answer from Quora about. And when I get that specific answer, I will update the description of this YouTube video and let you know the specific answer to that question once I get it. But here's what happened. I deleted her account. I waited 15 days, and you can see all these bookmarks across the top. Here's what happened. Well, look at this one right here. Here's a question that was asked. If I go look at the question log, you'll see that there was that Courtney asked this question, even though the account's been banned, but the answer by Anonymous was deleted March 1st at 9:49:07 a.m. That was yesterday. That Anonymous is my wife. That was her answer to that question. Here's another one. But here's a question that was asked. So I go look at the log. I'm, by the way, logged in with my account so I can see all this. It was asked by this person here at 9:49:07 a.m. It was the answer by Anonymous was deleted. That was my wife's answer. This one right here is a question that she asked. If I go look at the question log, you'll see this question was asked by Anonymous. And I'm betting you at 9:49:07, it was flipped from Rebecca Burris to Anonymous. Again, she asked this question, and questions remain the property of the Quora community. So the question stays out there. Unlike the answers get deleted when the account gets deleted. Now, here's another question that she asked. Again, you can look over here at the log, and we can see that it was asked by Anonymous. I think I have another one that was asked by Anonymous that was also hers. It is. And here's another one that she asked. Again, the questions remain, but the person who asked them is now converted to Anonymous because her profile was deleted. And now here's the URL to her profile, Rebecca-Burris-5. Her profile is gone because it was deleted probably on May 1st at 9:49:07 a.m. And here's a post that she made. Again, we can see it was a post by Rebecca-Burris-5. The post is gone because it was deleted when her profile was deleted. Now, here's the really bigger question. What happens to my content? That's what I really want to know. I get that, when you delete your account, all of your content will be removed from public visibility of the platform. By the way, except for questions, which remain the property of the community. But everything else, your comments, your answers, your post, and your profile will be removed from public visibility on the Quora platform. Now, it says it takes up to 14 days to process your account deletion request. Now, by the way, I did some research, and during that 14-day period, the account shows up as a deactivated account. It's still out there. The questions, the comments, the answers, the posts, and even the profile shows up as a deactivated account, but it's still there for 14 days. The bigger question was, what happens to my content? And I think removing it from public visibility is not enough. It took a little more work, a little more digging, but I found the Quora answer. The bigger answer is right here. And this is in a document published by Quora in their help, How Do I Delete My Quora Account? And it says this. Once the 14-day grace period has expired and your account has been deleted, your content and profile will be permanently deleted, and personal data associated with the account will be removed from the Quora databases, except as described in the privacy statement. It may preserve your data if necessary to comply with legal obligations, subpoena, legal processes, or other court order obligations. So if you're in trouble with the law, it may stay out there. But for most of us who are not in trouble with the law, after the 14-day grace period, everything will be removed. And this is also important to pay attention to. This information was in a Quora help document. I did not find this specific information in a Quora policy, privacy policy, terms of use, or acceptable use policies, which I would like to have found it in there rather than simply in a help document. But that is the answer to the big question: what happens to my content when I delete my Quora profile? Hey, I'm Teddy. I like Quora. I think it's a useful tool. It's a fun place for me to hang out now. I no longer use it for business, and I hope this answer is helpful for you.